In this video, I'll show you how to get Fortnite on your Xbox Series S or X. So what you need to do is, well, obviously turn on your console and then press the Xbox logo on your controller. This will open on the side. Then we need to navigate all the way down until you click on this icon over here, this one, which is saying Store. Press A, and now we're on the Microsoft Store. Usually search will be highlighted. You just have to press A, and here we're going to type Fortnite. So let's go. And you don't even have to finish typing Fortnite because it will appear on the top right corner there. Select it in green, press A. And here we're going to have a choice of multiple edition of Fortnite. It's up to you to get which one you prefer. Press A once you select the one you want. And from here, you're going to have this button over here, Get. And right now it's free. I don't know in the future if they'll start charging for this. But simply press A and you'll have this screen saying Success. You can check install status for Fortnite, blah, blah, blah. Okay, perfect. So now it's downloading. To check the status of this download, just select Check Install Progress, press A. And here you're going to see that it's downloading, and depending on the speed of your internet, mine is not very fast, so it may take a while. You can simply set your controller aside and leave this the way it is and come back in the time they say here. In my case, it's 4 hours. I'm sure you have a faster internet than me, so it will take a lot less time. If you have set your console to sleep after, let's say, an hour of inactivity or 2 hours of inactivity, and this download, you see here, it takes 3 hours on something, well, you need to remove that option, because if not, your console will simply go to sleep and the download will not be completed. So next time you open your console, you're like, oh, even if you come the next day, you open it and it's not even done yet because the console went to sleep and the download wasn't finished yet. So make sure your console does not sleep until this is over. Otherwise, this is it. This is how you download Fortnite. I hope you enjoyed this video. If so, please leave a like, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.